Hey everyone, welcome back to OdooVerse. I'm Rashika Sharma, and in today's video, we're going to learn Odoo computed fields step by step. Computed fields are one of the most powerful features in Odoo because they allow automatic calculations using Python. Instead of asking users to manually update values, Odoo can calculate everything automatically. In this video, we'll learn what computed fields are, why they are used, compute methods at API dot, depends auto calculations, and real project examples. So let's get started. Computed fields are fields whose values are calculated automatically by Odoo. Users do not manually type these values. Instead, Python logic generates the values dynamically. For example, total marks, invoice totals, salary calculations, or pass/fail status. And the best part, these fields always stay updated whenever related data changes. Now let's understand why computed fields are so important. First, automation. Odoo automatically performs calculations. Second, smart business logic. Rules are directly written inside models. Third, dynamic calculations. Values change automatically when data changes. And fourth, reduced manual work. Users don't need to calculate values manually. This makes applications faster, cleaner, and more reliable. Every computed field needs a compute parameter. This parameter tells Odoo which Python method should calculate the field value. For example, compute equals _compute total. This means the method named _compute total will generate the field value automatically. So the field definition and compute method always work together. Now let's understand one of the most important decorators in Odoo. At API.depends. This decorator tells Odoo which fields should be watched. For example, marks 1 and marks 2. Whenever these fields change, Odoo automatically reruns the compute method. This creates a live dependency between fields. So if marks change, total updates automatically. Now, let's see a complete real example. Here, we create a student model. Inside it, marks 1, marks 2, and total _marks fields are defined. Then, the compute method automatically adds marks 1 and marks 2. And whenever marks change, Odoo recalculates total _marks automatically. No extra save logic is needed. This is one of the biggest advantages of computed fields. Now let's understand store equals true and store equals false. First, store equals false. This means values are calculated in real time every time they are accessed. The value is not stored in the database. Second, store equals true. This saves the calculated value inside the database. Advantages: faster reads, searchable fields, filter support. Most production systems use store equals true for performance optimization. Now, let's combine everything into one complete example. Here, we have a student result model. The model contains subject marks, total marks, and pass/fail status. First, total is computed automatically. Then, status is also computed automatically based on total marks. If total is greater than or equal to 150, status becomes pass. Otherwise, status becomes fail. This is a real-world business logic example. Computed fields are used everywhere in Odoo. For example, in invoices, totals and taxes are calculated automatically. In salary systems, gross salary and deductions are computed. In inventory, stock valuation changes dynamically. And in education systems, totals, percentages, and pass-fail results are calculated automatically. These calculations power real business workflows. So today, we learned computed fields, compute parameter at API dot, depends auto calculations, store equals true, and real world examples. Now your Odoo applications can become much smarter and more automated. In the next video, we'll learn Odoo on-change methods. We'll see how forms update instantly in real time while users type data. So make sure you subscribe to OdooVerse, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.